Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Ben. I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. What do you do every day?
I wake up at 7 a.m. And you?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. What do you do after you wake up?
I eat breakfast. Usually I have cereal. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs. What do you do after breakfast?
I go to work. I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. What about you?
I go to school. My classes start at 8 a.m. and finish at 3 p.m.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework. Sometimes I play football. What do you do after work?
I cook dinner and watch TV. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook. I make pasta sometimes. What TV shows do you watch?
I watch comedy shows. They are funny. Do you like comedy shows?
Yes, I do. I also like action shows. What do you do before bed?
I read a book or listen to music. What about you?
I play video games or read too. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. and you?
I go to bed at 11 p.m. Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well. Do you?
Yes, I do. What are you doing this weekend?
I will visit my parents and you?
I will go to the park. Have a good day, Sarah.
You too, Ben. Bye.